Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss getting started with Microsoft Data Analytics free training by Microsoft, and I will let you know how to enroll it. So in this learning, basically, you will explore the role of data analyst, understanding the skills and tasks needed to turn data into a meaningful stories, using tools to create dashboards and report that help businesses make smart decisions. And you will also learn why the business intelligence is essential for companies. The total duration of this course is, if you can see here, 57 minutes. And if you can see the prerequisite, there is no prerequisite. And now we will check the module. So this is the discover data analysis 36 minute, and it now we will come down and we'll see the introduction 5 minutes, overview of data analysis 6 minute, roles of data 8 minute, task of data analyst 10 minutes, and check your knowledge. So this is basically a MCQ kind of the questions. Once you will complete all these modules and you will also complete the MCQ, you will get the some batch from the Microsoft for this course. And this is the summary actually for 1 minute. So now let me show you how you can enroll for this course. So you have to go to the Google, and here you have to type learn. So you can see the learn Microsoft Data Analytics. You will see the first link. You have to type learn Microsoft Data Now you have to type learn Microsoft Data Analytics, and you will see the first link, getting started with Microsoft Data Analytics training. Once you will click here, you will be landed to same page, and you can see here all those things. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.